I will explain here the outline for the engine information. First of all, I will explain the main points. There are two types in the rated speed, 720 rpm and 900 rpm. We call accordingly 6EY18L and 6EY18AL. Both of them have 6 cylinders and bore stroke of 180 by 280 millimeters. Other main items are as you are seeing. The rotation direction of crankshaft is counterclockwise viewed from flywheel side. Cylinder is aligned in numerical order number 1 cylinder, number 2 cylinder, viewed from flywheel side. The ignition order is as you're watching in the video. The operation side of the engine is the left side viewed from flywheel side. Viewed from this operation side, governor, air motor, fuel pressure regulating valve, fuel strainer, turbocharger, air cooler, and cooling water thermostatic valve are laid out as shown here. And viewed from the anti-operation side or anti-flywheel side, automatic backwashing strainer of lube oil cooler, lube oil thermostatic valve, lube oil pump, and cooling water pump are laid out as you are watching in the video. Familiarize with the location of each device to handle them promptly in the maintenance. Wear proper clothes. Don't wear oiled clothes because they are ignitable. Depending on the type of work, wear the protective tools such as helmet, glass, mask, gloves, safety belt, shoes, and foot protector. Conduct the work by observing the basic notes for safety, cautions in maintenance and work procedure specified in the instructions and the engine safety label.